Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making Tonkatsu, the Japanese pork cutlet. Tonkatsu is a very popular Western-style Japanese dish, especially among young generation who needs energy. Since this is deep fried, the calories and fat content are high. However, it is so delicious. Japanese people eat food which is relatively low in calories, so why not enjoy the deep fried food every once in a while? Let's get started. Let's start with making a breading batter. Using beaten egg is common, but I always use this batter. This batter makes your tonkatsu crispier. Combine beaten egg and flour in a medium-sized bowl. Add in water in 3 times and make a smooth batter. Pat dry your pork loin. Cut 2 to 3 cm intervals between the meat and fat by using kitchen shears. This will prevent from curling when it cooked. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Dust the surface of the plastic wrap with all-purpose flour. Place your pork. Dust with flour evenly. When I make cutlet, I always do this for easy cleaning. Next, dip into the batter we made earlier with your right hand and blending with left hand. You don't want to dredge your fingers. Keep going until each pork loin evenly coated with panko. Line a piece of plastic wrap underneath the panko. Again, this is for easy cleaning. I am using Nama-Panko, which means moistened panko. The moisture will evaporate while deep frying and it will make your tonkatsu crispy in the end. I highly recommend it. Heat your vegetable oil to 160 degrees Celsius. Start frying the tonkatsu. Deep fry about 3 minutes on each side. Meanwhile, prepare the cabbage. We always serve tonkatsu with shredded cabbage. After 5 to 6 minutes, your tonkatsu looks like this. How can I tell it is cooked or not is the color of the bread. If it is golden brown, it is almost done, and the sound of the frying becomes higher and the bubbles around the tonkatsu become smaller, it is done. Take out onto a wire rack and rest it a minute or 2. Cut into 5 to 6 pieces. Let's assemble. Pile up shredded cabbage and wasabina, which is a young green of wasabi, helps digestion as well. You can add any kind of vegetables you have on hand. Place tonkatsu and serve with lemon wedge and tonkatsu sauce. There you have it. Crispy on the outside and moist and lean meat inside. Dip into sauce and good to go. As I am a middle-aged, I feel a little guilty to eat entire tonkatsu. I'll keep half of the tonkatsu to make katsudon for the lunch next day. I'll show you how to make katsudon next week, so be sure to check that out. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my new videos. I try to give you tips and tricks to create delicious Japanese dishes at your home in the most trusted way. Any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!